Kids speak. Ever wondered why our generation should sit up and start thinking about saving the environment? Well, let's see what some youngsters have to say about this subject.
Environment. Isha. As we do our everyday activities, most people don't seem to pay attention to nature around us. We spend time looking out our phones, browsing through people's profiles, or watching random videos for hours. Sometimes, when we have time to go outside and explore, we don't. We stay at home, sitting on the couch, and we binge watch shows over and over again. Without looking at nature outside and appreciating it, we could potentially ruin the Earth's future forever. Preserving the environment and noticing its rapid changes is the essential key to making our lives better. Constantly, every day, factories and cars release gases into the air. These gases harm the environment by suffocating local organisms that are near our homes. We seem to do these things without realizing what it costs. Not only money, but the preservation of the environment. As to why we should preserve the environment, it's a simple answer. Damaging the environment is damaging us too. Cutting down too many trees decreases the cleanliness of the air, and throwing away too much plastic takes away space on Earth. Eventually, we might have to transport all the waste off the Earth and onto another planet, or the Earth would be filled with mostly plastic and fewer organisms. Speaking of organisms, other animals help to balance nature and help the environment as well. Harming these animals with gases and other types of pollution would cause certain species to reproduce less, and they might eventually go extinct. Plastic and other materials that cannot break down even after thousands of years are thrown into the ocean every single day, since humans have no other place to put them. Many organisms, big and small, living under the ocean get stuck in these materials and choke till they die. It is absolutely frightening to them, as it would be to you. As we think of all these terrible things we do, we must start to take small and big steps to take care of the world around us. First things first, don't just say that you should preserve the environment, but actually make a difference. Start by not throwing away food. When you buy something, check the expiry date and eat the dish before it expires. When you go to eat at a restaurant, don't order too much if you know you won't finish it. You'll end up saving the space on Earth. Also, avoid buying too many items of plastic that are not reusable. When you use something, be it anything, see if it can be reused before you throw it away. These are just a few examples of many more things you can do. Look around, take a walk, and make sure that others are also paying attention to the world around them. It can take one small thing to make the biggest difference on the whole Earth.